Hello friends, today we are going to discuss question 25 of SOM series. If you have not watched my earlier videos, then go in the description and watch my earlier videos first. And before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, that is part 2 of SOM series. So today we will solve question 25 of SOM series. So question is, find the area bounded by the curves y is equal to 3x square minus 2x and y is equal to 1 minus 4x. We are given two curves, that is y is equal to 3x square minus 4x and y is equal to 1 minus 4x. This is line and this is parabola. By equation we can see that. So in such question, let's first draw the diagram. So its diagram will be, before that let's find the intersecting point. So for this equation, when we put y is equal to 0 in equation, y is equal to 3x square minus 2x, when we put y is equal to 0 we get 0 is equal to, taking x common, so x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2 by 3. So we got 2 points. So here x is equal to 0 and somewhere here x is equal to 2 by 3. And we can see the coefficient is positive, so it will be definitely upper facing curve. So this parabola will be like this. And we are given other equation, y is equal to 1 minus 4x. So for that let's convert into intercept form of line. So 4x plus y is equal to 1. So x upon 1 upon 4 plus y upon 1 is equal to 1. So its x-intercept is 1 upon 4. It will be somewhere here. And 1 will be somewhere here. So when we draw the line, we can see this is the bounded area. So the bounded area is this one. So we have to find this area. So now we know that equation of area is equal to double integration 1 into dx dy. But before that, let's find this intersecting point, because we have to find the bounded area within this region. For that, let's equate both the equation. So put y, value of y in this equation. So we get 3x square minus 2x is equal to 1 minus 4x. Now bringing 4x this side and 1 also this side, we get 3x plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Its factor are 3 and 1. It will be 3 minus 1. So we get 3x square plus 3x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So taking 3x common, x plus 1, taking minus 1 common, it will be x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 1 by 3 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, then this point will be, we can see that it will be negative side, so it will be minus 1 and this point will be 1 by 3. So we know that x belongs to minus 1 to 1 by 3. So we have find the constant term. So area is equal to integration from minus 1 to 1 by 3 into 1 into, now we have taken dx constant, so we will write first dy then dx, because we have already found the limits of dx. Now whenever it's dy dx, we draw the vertical line. I have taught this concept in my video how to find area, that is part 2. You can go in the description and find the link and watch that. So here we can see it is entering from the curve y is equal to 3x square minus 2x and is leaving from the curve y is equal to 1 minus 4x. So limit of y will be, y belongs to 3x square minus 2x to 1 minus 4x. Now area is equal to double integration. Its x limit is 1 to 1 by 3. Y limit is 3x square minus 2x to 1 minus 4x into 1 into dy dx. Now integrate this term with respect to dy. We get y only. Integration of 1 with respect to dy is y. Its limit are from 3x square minus 2x to 1 minus 4x into dx. Now put the limit. We get upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 minus 4x minus 3x square plus 2x. Upper limit minus lower limit into dx. That is equal to minus 3x square. Integration from minus 1 to 1 by 3. It will be minus 2x plus 1 into dx. Now integrate this term with respect to dx. So we get minus 3x cube by 3 minus 2x square by 2 plus x. Its limit are from minus 1 to 1 by 3. Now put the limit. This minus 3 will get cancelled. That is equal to minus 1 by 3 whole cube. This 2 will get cancelled. So it will be minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 by 3 minus upper limit minus lower limit. So it will be minus into minus 1 cube. It will be plus 1 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. So it will be plus 1. It will be, when we put minus 1, it will remain minus. So minus 1. And it will be minus 1. So this plus 1 minus 1 will get 0 and this minus 1 will remain here. So minus minus plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 upon 27 minus 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 3, and here it will be plus 1. Now taking the LCM, it will be 9 3s. LCM will be 27. 3 into 9 and 1 into 27. So that is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 plus 9 plus 27 by 27. So subtract minus 1 minus 3, it will be minus 4. Minus 4 plus 9, it will be 5. Now 5 plus 37, it will be 32. 32 by 27. So 32 by 27 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for the latest video. Thank you.